Hey, good morning, seventh grade. I just wanted to share another video with you just to explain a few things and let you know or make you aware of a few changes that I've made. First, on the main page in the Snow Amazing folder, I want to draw to your attention my meeting time at 11:15 daily. This is just to go over information. You may ask questions at the time. I also might be at this time also doing a lesson, especially if it's new content, and I'll be making you aware of when that new content will be released. Right now, especially for today's lesson, it's going to be a review over the electromagnetic spectrum, but please utilize this time 11:15 daily if you're around. I would love to hear feedback if that is a time that doesn't work for you. So now I'm going to go ahead and scroll down to day 6, okay, for Friday, March 20th. Go into the science folder. And there's 2 documents in here. I'm just going to say, guys, if it's in the folder, don't be afraid to click and figure out what document, if it's not named in a way that you understand. Just go in, check it out. You're not going to break anything. It's all right. If something happens, feel free to email me. It'll be okay. So day 6, we are taking a break from all the TCTs, the writing tasks that I've been giving you. And like I said, this is going to be a simple read over the electromagnetic radiation. We've already talked about the electromagnetic spectrum. So this is good review information. So you're just going to read the article, pretty straightforward, and then you're going to answer the questions at the very end. I have created a Google assignment link, and essentially in that assignment link, it has a place for you to write your answers. So it's formatted. Please fill that out if you are submitting your work online. That'll make it a lot easier for grading. Essentially what I've done is I've assigned 3 points to every question. There are 10 questions, okay? 8 through 10 are short answer. So I'm going to ask, please restate the questions and use complete sentences. So hopefully this helped you. Hopefully you have a great Friday. Don't hesitate to join in on my Google Meet or reach me via email or Google Hangouts. Have a great day. Happy Friday. We made it. Bye-bye.